Wet your hands with running water. Apply enough soap to make a really good lather. Students, try to wash your hands for 20 seconds. Your first step, rub your hands from palm to palm. Second step, rub the back of both hands. Third step, rub palm to palm with finger interlaced. Fourth step, rub with back of fingers to opposite palms with finger interlocked. 5 step, rub both the thumbs. Now 6 step, rub tips of fingers in opposite palm in a circular motion. And our last step, 7, is rub each wrist with opposite hand. Now rinse your hands and wrist with running water. Turn off the tap and then take a towel and wipe both hands and wrist